Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find my Bitcoin wallet address on PayPal. This is a short video because there aren't many steps, so let's get started. First, open your PayPal app. On the home screen, tap the Finances button in the bottom left. It looks like a small graph. From there, tap Crypto in the top right corner. Now you'll see all the cryptocurrencies available in PayPal. Tap on Bitcoin. Here you'll see the current Bitcoin price and your balance. To get your wallet address, tap the small icon with two arrows. This is where you send and receive. If you don't see this button, it means PayPal hasn't enabled the feature on your account yet. It's still rolling out in some regions, so you may need to wait or contact PayPal support. If you do have it, tap Receive BTC. You'll now see your Bitcoin wallet address as a QR code and also as a string of letters and numbers. Instead of writing it down, just tap Copy. This copies your PayPal Bitcoin wallet address to your clipboard so you can safely paste it into a message or email. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.